first batch got.
No, I think it's catchy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So our conclusion is it is not flammable. Section cotton wool. This is.
It is burning. I think maybe the oil's burning and not the cotton wool. It is burning. See there.
Look, it's interesting here. You see those little flames going. There's very little flame. I think it's the oil inside the cotton.
Yeah, it's kind of. It looks like it's gone. The oil is burning and the cotton wool can't burn yet. It's not hot enough or something. But it's kind of getting up to that temperature. Look, now we've got a proper flame going.
Well, oil makes a proper flame, as we know from our experience of previously sitting at the light. Like when we did it with the paper, it was this mild flame, but it couldn't light stuff, such as chocolate, you see. What do you think that would be?
On your rating scale, what's your rating?
H is high, L is low flammability, and F is flammability. It's like the second highest, and then EH is extremely high.
Well, I would say it's flammable.
Right, we have some wisteria flour here. We are going to see how flammable this is.
It's not really on the wisteria.
What would you say about that?
It's not burning, but it did get damaged.
It looks a bit black to me. Well, you could definitely see that the pollen was getting very hot. So what do you say in?
What's in? Not flammable.
It's, yeah. It's
I would say maybe low flammability.
Okay. Here we have some cotton wool which has some Vaseline on the side of it. Let's see what this thing can do.
Okay, that's much more flammable than the oil.
Yeah, you've got something saying there. So what would you say for that?
High?
Yeah. I'd agree with you on that, but I have heard
high.
that this can be used as something instead of your normal dry firelighters.
It looks like a good plan, yes. Okay.
Here we have some surgical spirits in some cotton wool. Let's see what this can do.
Keep your hand clear of this one. There we go. That's interesting how it burns. You can see the flame, but it's a completely different flame from the Vaseline flame. It's actually quite high.
No, I can feel the heat.
Yeah.
Just like charcoal.
It's almost invisible.
Yeah. Let's see the heat. It's really
Zoom
hot.
out and then you can
Hotish.
see the flame.
It's hotish.
You actually couldn't see when you were focused close. And it's the highest flame of all of them.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's reaching, yeah, that's high. But how flammable do you think that material is?
Well, I will put that as high as well, but it's a very different sort of high to the Vaseline, which is interesting.
No, because it can't be extremely high.
It didn't explode or anything.
Yeah. Extremely
So I
high is something like deodorant, which you can make a flamethrower out of.
Okay, where is it? Yes.
So we'll put that the first one, an 8.
Another H.
Yeah.
Although it's a different type of H to the other
But
one.
let's see how long this burns. It's burning for way longer than the Vaseline, I think.
Maybe it's actually heated enough for the cotton to stop burning. Do you want me to switch off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, here we have some ends of matches which we are about to ignite. Let's see them. What would you say about that?
Well, it was quite.
There's still some left.
Well, now it's kind of. I think the match now it's going onto the edge of. Whoa.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay, I think that goes on to the extremely, hey?
Yeah, I agree with that.
Because it does that sort of woof up, which none of the others did. The
Yeah,
others were all
and the deodorant also does that, and so do potassium nitrate and sugar melted into each other. That's so.
Okay,
So,
we're done.
take that.